In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the names of metrics and dimensions in Looker Studio, particularly if you're looking to edit the data source or want to customize individual charts. This process can streamline your reporting and ensure that your data labels are clear and meaningful for anyone who views your reports. Let's start with the first option, which is renaming fields directly in the data source. This change is beneficial because it applies throughout all reports using that particular data source. To begin, open your Looker Studio dashboard and navigate to the top menu. Here, you'll find the Resource option. Click on it, then select Manage Added Data Sources from the drop-down menu. This will display a list of all the data sources you've connected. Next, identify the data source that contains the metric or dimension you wish to rename. Once you've found it, click on the Edit option to open the data source editor. Now, you'll see a detailed view of all the fields within this data source. Look for the specific metric or dimension that you want to rename. Once you find it, click on its name. This action will allow you to enter a new, more descriptive name. For instance, if the original name is something like Order Value, you might want to change it to Average Order Value for better clarity. After typing the new name, click outside the field or simply press Enter to confirm and save your changes. Doing this will update the name across all reports that use this source. However, it's worth noting that if you've previously set a custom name for this field in an individual chart, this particular chart will retain its custom name despite the data source update. This centralized renaming method is particularly helpful because it ensures consistency across multiple reports and charts, saving you from having to update each one individually. Additionally, it enhances the readability and user-friendliness of your reports, as stakeholders can more easily understand the data presented. I hope this guide on changing metric and dimension names in Looker Studio assists you in making your reports more accessible and insightful. With clear, descriptive names, your data visualization will be much more meaningful to everyone who interacts with it. As always, thank you for watching, and I invite you to explore more tips in our upcoming videos.